You have grown a brand on Facebook. Maybe you're even promoting your YouTube videos over there. This is how you can monetize your Facebook page. So here is my Facebook page. What I do here is I promote my YouTube videos, I build a community, hopefully you follow me, but basically it extends my brand from YouTube onto Facebook because why not? It's another social media platform. So to monetize, what you do is you go to facebook.com/creator studio. This is their new tool, which has been hiding for a little while, which is basically their dashboard for Facebook. It shows you all of your insights, what you're doing. If you've got any post schedules, how they've been engaging with recently, you can click on your insights to see how well your channel has done. Minutes viewed, watch time in minutes, and engagement, post engagement, that kind of thing. You can have a look at how loyal people happen to be based on how many times they've watched a video and how many times they come back. But what we're interested in is on the left-hand side, monetization. In here, Facebook says content creators and publishers can use a variety of different monetization tools to earn money on Facebook depending on your audience and what kinds of content you produce. You can find a combination that works for you. Page eligibility. You need to meet the criteria for each monetization tool, and some tools might have additional requirements. Review which pages are eligible and apply for access. You'll receive an email once your application is reviewed. In this case, my page, Alan Spicer-Digital Consultant, is eligible, and I've met the criteria for Brand Collaborations Manager. Now, what you can do is work with brands to share their content and get a slice of the advertising revenue. Now, you can see the criteria here. For brand collaboration, I needed 1,000 followers and I needed an engagement rate over the last 60 days of 15,000 engagements on posts. Or over the last 60 days, I needed 180,000 minutes viewed across all my videos, or 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. In other words, over the last 60 days, I needed 30,000 1-minute views on videos that were at least 3 minutes long. So for me, I qualified with 1,000 followers and a high engagement of 15,000 post engagements. Now, there are other monetization tools that use those qualification metrics. Now, if you want in-stream ads, what you would need is a slightly higher threshold of 10,000 followers and the repeat of what's said up there, which is 30,000 views at 1 minute long on videos over 3 minutes. Those place little adverts inside your videos like you expect from YouTube, whether they're start pre-rolls or mid-rolls, and then fan subscriptions are basically like you would see on Twitch or like you now see on YouTube, but it's invite only. So for me to set up monetization based on branding, what I do is I qualify here, and then I click on Set Up Monetization. It will run you through the Facebook for Creators account, in which once again it tells you these are the type of tools: in-stream, brand, fan subscriptions. And once again, I here have qualified for branding and brand collaboration. So I scroll down, I fill in my details, I choose my country, I click the tick, and I submit. I will now get an email in a few days telling me that I have been monetized, and then I can start sharing brand posts from other companies and earning a slice of their pie. So for example, it could be apparel, it could be technology, it's anyone that's in the ecosystem. And what you do is you post sponsored posts, and then you can build up affiliate marketing or direct click-through rates. And yeah, that's how it goes. For more videos on monetization, there's a playlist here, or if you need to know how to go live on Facebook, there's a video here. Subscribe for regular videos, and I'll see you soon.